This year we've got an outdoor show at the Kemp Center, a 9-person, all-women show, all-woman show, curated by Aaron Cunningham, who's a professor at Texas State University. We've got some fabricated pieces. This piece is a combination of found materials and fabricated houses. We've got some cast iron pieces. A lot of these women are involved in a kind of a cast iron network, and so you'll see quite a few cast iron pieces today, which is really pretty popular right now. Show will be up for 1 year. It'll end next May, and hopefully we'll deinstall this show then and install a new series of work.